Hi, I'm Greg, HiLo Metal Lathe project. This is a little introduction, just after the first introduction, just showing you some of the bits that I've already got laser cut and just a bit of a taster for what's to come. So I'll start with the headstock bearings. I've had some rings laser cut, look at that, like that's just absolutely beautiful. A couple of dollars each, well maybe a bit more than that, but beautiful roller bearing, probably what, $20, $30, cheap as. I'm going to machine the inside of that on my other setup, we'll talk about that another time. So that bearing fits into there. Now the whole lot gets encased in epoxy resin when it's all aligned with the spindle that's yet to be made. That's just a whole beautiful system, I think. There's a chuck plate. This will be the backing plate, this plate right here for the metal lathe. Mount that on, or laser cut, look at that. It's just a beautiful thing. A headstock base, look at that, I can hardly lift it. The headstock base, there's the 4 hold down bolts. That's underneath the headstock there, that's underneath the headstock. All epoxy resin on here and the bearings, beautiful thing. Now I talked about the dovetail cutting. So there's a beautiful sled, look at this, get excited about that. How long would it take you to make that and cut those slots? So this thing slides, it's got a locating plate under it. We've got these beautiful angled, perfect precision. They'd be welded there somehow, I forget how it goes, but like it's all designed like that, and this, and then my angle grinder out. It gets swiveled over here and it cuts that. So it just cuts straight down there. We turn the whole jig around and we cut that one there. Just beautiful. I bought a new angle grinder because I wanted really nice new bearings, and I also wanted a bit of power to get through my 20 mil without taking days. So that's just a beautiful thing. More bits cut. I think I've spent, what have I spent? $400, and I've got quite a few of the bits cut already. All the headstock bits, all the ways bits, the sled bits. I've got another sled cut that will allow the angle grinder to cut straight. You can just put bits on your ways and just cut. So it's all happening. I just need to get time to do it. I've got a couple of young kids, you might not think so, but I do have a couple of young daughters and they take a bit of time. So when I get time, my first job I think will be to weld up the ways. I don't really want to bolt and drill, and I know it causes distortion, but they're pretty heavy duty, they're I-beams. I'm not expecting that much distortion. You can take that out probably with some angle grinding or some, then scraping. We'll be right, trust me. So anyway, any comments you like, stick them in the comments, and check out the website for any more videos, and let's just continue the project. Thanks.